In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Palworld black screen. So to see if this issue is from your graphics card, you can actually just update your graphics card. So if you go to NVIDIA app and then drivers, here you're able to update the drivers for your graphics cards. So just make sure you update it. And then in device manager, you can do the same. Go here to display adapters and then update the drivers just to make sure that you have the latest version for the graphics cards. Now, if you do this and you're still having issues, then you can check if this is a server error, and you can do this by going to Google and typing "is Palworld down." So you'll get websites like these, and if you see like some reports, people reporting errors, and you see like a spike here or over here, if you see servers are down, you'll know it's a server error. As you can see now, the server is operational and it's not the server issue. So if it was the server issue, then all you have to do is just wait for them to fix it. Now another thing you can do is go to Steam, and here you'll go to library and go to the game. You'll right click on it and then go to properties, and then under installed files, click verify integrity of game files. It will take a few minutes, but after it's done, it will verify all the game folders, and hopefully this should fix your issue.